Hi, this is James from Vintage Bricks. Today we are going to look at what is the best Lego minifigure from the pirate era. And what a better place to do it than from Hawaii. So come on in and let's take a look and see what we get. So I'm going to pick my favorite minifig from each of the factions. Well, the first faction is Redbeard, and he's pretty amazing. So he's my favorite pirate. His sets actually continue on past 1997, but now, okay, here we have the Governor Broadside. He was my winner for Imperial Soldiers. Very stately, even commanded a clipper ship. So in 1992, we had a new faction, the Imperial Guards. And so I picked the common man here. These red guys, kind of the English soldier bent, really liked him. 1994, a whole new faction popped into the scene, the Islanders. Now, King Kahuka is amazing. He is colorful, he's powerful, commanding, my favorite. And then 1996, we had the Spanish Armada to finish up the pirate series for this era. And here's the captain. So now that I have my top minifig from each faction, let's take a little detour how you can see all the minifigures ever created by Lego. Here I'm on Bricklink.com, click on Minifigs. I'm scrolling down to the theme of pirates. Here you see some of the factions that are listed there. I'm going to click on the Pirate 1, that goes from the dates range that we want. So now here you get a list of all the minifigures of this theme. I am going to click on Year Summary. And now I can see the minifigure by year. The first year, 1989, click on that. And if we click on the thumbnail, we'll get a quick bird's eye view of different minifigures. I switch over to 94 and King Kahuka. So you can find minifigures like that. You can see what sets King Kahuka's in too. You click on the set button on the top right there, and then I'll go back in the thumbnail view. So this will give you an idea how you can choose your own favorite minifig yourself. So, okay, now the big winner time. So, drum roll, da-da-da-da. Yes, it's the Spanish Armada captain. I like him a lot, so he's my winner at least for today here in Hawaii. Aloha from Vintage Bricks.